Hi, Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro, and I did a quick little overview of the SCULPLLA line of home use products here in this video. I'm going to go over the various products that are available to you in the line of PLLA products that you can use at home for filler-like results. Now, these are going to cover the CAVIPLLA, the SCULPLLA MIST. I'm going to go over the new Hydra Velvet PLLA mask and the new Cell Repair Cream. So you can see what each one of these is, how to use it, and then decide if it's a good fit for you. A couple notes on using the SCULPLLA products. Since they are collagen boosting products, you're not going to see the really amazing results for about 28-30 days, which is the time that it takes to regenerate collagen or to generate collagen. So, be patient, use them consistently. You will see results in terms of smoother skin, hydration, glow, evenness. They're going to give you some really beautiful results in that vein right up front. But to really get the boosting potential, you're going to have to give them a little time. And if you combine these products with your other protocols and modalities, such as a microcurrent, if you've got the Time Master Pro, or if you're doing microneedling in particular, these are fantastic products to combine with those to really get that ultimate plump and firm result that you're looking for. So one other quick tip that I can give you in using these products, in particular the CAVI product, you have to really use the SCULPLLA Mist underneath it, or use it with damp skin for it to really foam and get those results. It's meant to be used with the mist, so what you would do is cleanse your face, mist your face, and then apply the CAVI. And in particular, I started out applying it everywhere, and I was actually getting a little too much collagen boost in a couple areas that were already a little full on my face. So I scaled back and I apply it only in the areas that I really want to build that collagen and that plumpness, like in the temples and on my upper cheeks, a little bit around my mouth. So that's just a tip to keep in mind with using that particular product. But the other products you can apply all over, or in just certain areas, whatever you feel is the best fit for you. And that new PLLA mask, the Hydra Velvet mask in particular, is a really nice mask if you do it in a series, and if you leave it on for twice the recommended amount. So I did speak in another video that I leave it on about 30 to 40 minutes with each use. So the package says about 15-20 minutes, but I doubled that, and that's when I really started seeing great results. And the serum that's left over in the pouch, you definitely want to use up all that serum over the next day or so on your hands, face, neck, everything. It's a great serum. Alright, so you can enjoy the video, and I really appreciate you watching. Comment, subscribe, and like this video if you like what you see. Thank you.